future. You have to understand that we have a hoary past from many, many lifetimes, not just one lifetime past. So always when you think of past, think of many, 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 many lifetimes. It extends to hoary times. And to understand the past, you must understand the law of karma. You have done something, you have to pay for that. We are always paying to our past karmas in this lifetime and in the past lifetimes. Everybody is paying. So everybody has to accept that payment. When you understand law of karma and many lifetimes before this lifetime, you know how much to accept. Whatever is coming in the form of destiny, you have to accept. You have to keep on accepting. That's how you get rid of the past. If you resist the past, then the past will repeat itself. You can't resist the past. You have to understand the law of karma. What you have done, you have to reap your destiny. You have been reaping your destiny in the present because of the past. Then, in the current, present, the law of choice. With regard to past, law of karma. With regard to present, law of choice. So what should I choose now? I choose meditation. Whatever may be the circumstance right now I am in, whether it is COVID or cancer or a BP or anything, or I am put in jail, or I am about to die. What should I do now? What should I choose? I should choose dealing with the present. You must understand the law of choice. What to choose, what not to choose right now. See, when Pari has asked Shalini to close the show, I have chosen right now to speak about this. This is a law of choice. I don't want to end the session without a concept. So, past, present and future. To understand the past, to get rid of the past, you must understand law of karma. And to be in the present, you must understand the law of choice. Law of choice says, always do meditation. Close your eyes, close your mouth, become one with your breath. When you're traveling on a flight from India to Dubai, what do you do in the flight? You do meditation. You choose to do meditation. One day, one lady just now said from Vadodara, her brother has died in COVID. So what can she do? She says, still I am continuing my meditation. That is a law of choice. She didn't stop her meditation because her brother died, left the body. Nobody dies. They leave the body, that's all. So she has chosen meditation, law of choice, to be in the present. And she has invited me to Vadodara to do work in Vadodara. That is law of choice. And future, hope for the best always. In terms of past, understand the past through law of karma. In the context of the present, understand the law of choice. You can always choose. You must always choose meditation and silence. कुछ बहस हो रहा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम साइलेंस में रह जाएंगे. We choose silence. We don't choose to fight with others. And दूसरा काम नहीं तो we choose to do meditation. And for the future, we always hope for the best. We have been seeing that the Earth Mother is coming and crying with everybody, with all the pure masters. We console the Earth Mother. Choose the best is happening. Don't worry, Mother. Don't worry. Whether it is our own mother, physical mother or Earth's mother, we say, don't lose hope. We are all here. So, past, present and future. To understand the past, law of karma, acceptance, surrender to your destiny. And in the terms of present, law of choice, choose the silence in conversations and choose meditation in other times. And for the future, hope for the best. We always hope for the best. I always hope for the best because every person will come into meditation. Every Bengali will become a non-fish eater. No more fish eating in Bengal. I always hope for the best. My words for the future are always, everything will happen for good, Bayar. Everything will happen for the good in the future. Hope for the future. Never leave hope for the future. Just now one lady was saying that her son is in a hopeless condition. I advised her, don't lose hope. Always hope for the best. So these are the three things. Accepting the past destiny, accepting and choosing the present choice, and always hoping for the best in the future. In 10 years, the corona would have done its job. And PSSM also would have done its job. And everybody I see after 10 years, very, very happy and healthy, enlightened. Everybody in the whole earth planet, whoever has remained, 3.5 billion people. Before 10 years, 3.5 billion people will be transferred to the higher worlds. But whoever has remained, everybody becomes a master within 10 years. Big axis shift is happening on the earth planet. Prakshalan is happening. Many people have to vacate because the earth has decided. Finally, the decision has been taken by the earth planet, by the cosmic government. We have been waiting for this axis change in the year 2000. Nothing happened. We have been waiting for 2012. Nothing happened. But 2020 it happened because we already have PMC with us. We already have Zoom with us. We have the technology to communicate with ourselves. Therefore, the cosmic government waited until PMC happened. And when the PMC happened, now they have seen this is the time to get it done. You see how the cosmic government works. Now we are able to communicate with each other. Somebody in Dubai, somebody in Bangalore, somebody somewhere else in Maryland, America, we are all together. We are able to communicate with them because of the Zoom, because of the technology, because of the PMC. So this is the time the pandemic has come, which has been initiated and generated by cosmic government. China's government is not responsible for it. It is the cosmic government which takes the responsibility. Tremendous things are going to happen in all the countries. All the countries. All the governments of all the countries, tremendous changes are going to come within the next 10 years. Whatever we have been hoping for in all these years is happening right now in front of our eyes. And we are doing excellent work. We are Pyramid Masters. We are happy, we are healthy, we are excellent. We are not wasting our energies, time at all. We are perfect masters.